Okay, today we're here at Castle Park. And we came for their Mardi Gras, and this is like our first time here. So I got one of their tasting cards. There's 7 tastings, and I think it's $35. We got their popcorn shrimp po' boy at the Big Top Burgers and Barbecue building. So this thing is pretty large for basically $5. Oops, oh dear, $5. There's lots of popcorn shrimp in here, and there's also a sauce and some like lettuce. Ooh, that's a little spicy. That sauce. I thought it was just going to be like a Thousand Island or something. Oh. Ugh, all over my face. Yeah, that sauce is pretty spicy. I wouldn't give this one to a kid. Or unless, just tell them don't put the sauce on it. The bun is actually pretty good too. Maybe a ciabatta or something. Oh. Yeah, this one's really good. So I think it's worth the, I guess it would be about $5. So anyways, I'm going to give this one an A, because the shrimp are really well cooked. There's a lot of them, and even the bun tastes good. It's just a little spicy. So, you know, well, not just a little spicy, it's kind of spicy. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.